Okay guys, on this video, I will be testing the GoPro Hero 11, especially the color science, that 10-bit color. I'm here in the beautiful Dominican Republic. We'll be seeing a lot of greens, blues, so I'm really excited to test that out. And also, I will be showing you how I grade this camera. We'll be sharing with you guys my free lots that I will be developing exactly for these situations right now. That beach vibe, jungle, tropical colors, okay? So let's get it. Okay guys, look at the spot I'm at. Really jungly, a lot of greens, blues. Let's see how the 10-bit color does on this camera. Remember, I'm always using ND filters to be able to get my shutter double to my frame rate, okay? So like if I'm doing 4K 24, 48, 4K 60, 120. To get those cinematic colors that you see on the GoPro ads, you need ND filters. I will be listing these right on the description, so pick them up.